Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chloe. If you're new here, it would mean a lot to me if you would subscribe and stick around because why not? Today is a very exciting day because I am getting my hair done. Now I have had quite the hair journey from brown to blonde to brown to blonde to brown to blonde, brown to blonde, a lot of blonde and a lot of brown. But I think I have realized that even though I do like the blonde, that one, my hair is dying, and two, that it's just really hard to keep up with in college, especially because like you can see my roots and I can't go to my hairdresser every 2 months because I'm mostly at school. So today I'm going back to the dark side. And my friends and family have also been saying that they're excited. So I'm excited. And I'm excited to take you along the journey because I think it's going to be a very interesting one. Right now I have to head to the salon because my appointment is at 9 and it's 8:20 and my salon is 35 minutes away. So I'm going to go and I will see you when I get there. I'm here and I'm so excited. Also, I didn't mention earlier, but I'm also getting hair extensions and I'm very excited. I've wanted hair extensions for about 6 months and later when I get back home, I'm going to explain why I decided to get them. But I'm very excited. This is the last time you will see my hair like this. So, wow. Okay, I'm going to go in now because I'm like 10 minutes late because there was so much traffic and people were driving so fast and I was like, ah! Absolutely crazy. I cannot believe I'm actually going dark. I'm a little scared, not gonna lie, but I'm going to the bathroom quickly and I just want to give you an update because there's so much music and stuff in there that you can't hear me with blow dryers and you know, all that fun jazz. But this is what's going on right now. This is the sitch. I'm speechless. I can't believe this is my hair. Insane. Okay, right now I'm going to go and get my extensions in. I just got them in that room that you saw and we tried a bunch of different colors and I'm so excited for my extensions in. Oh my gosh, I can't believe that this is my hair. I'm freaking out. It looks absolutely so good. I went to the Tea Salon in Costa Mesa and I had my hair done by Courtney and she did such an awesome job and she was so nice and I can't wait to continue getting my hair done with her because she's honestly like the best and I had such a great time. We started at 9 o'clock and it is 3:47. I am leaving right now to go home. I'm so hungry, but I will go home, show you my hair, talk a little bit about it, why I did it. I'm just so happy and excited. Hold on. I'm going to call a couple people and get some people's reaction before I post an Instagram picture because I just kind of want to see what people's reaction is of my hair. Do you see my hair?
Wait, oh my god! Chloe, it looks so good!
Thanks!
I freaking love
Ashley.
Oh my god, your hair!
All right, I'm going to talk to you guys about why I got extensions, why I dyed my hair, and how I thought about the process. I've never had extensions before, so everything today was pretty new. It took a good 7 hours, and it was definitely a process, but I'm very happy with how it turned out. It looks so bomb. I have 20-inch extensions, and I just think that they look magical. I have a beaded weft extension in my hair, and I went to this place earlier, which I said, but it is called Tea Salon in Orange County. I believe that the woman who started Tea Salon was the one who started these like beaded wefts, and I had a really good experience. My hairdressing person was awesome and super sweet, and thank you so much for letting me film everything. I thought that was really awesome of her to let me do that, and we had such great conversations, and it was definitely like the best hair appointment I've had in a very long time. And one of the main reasons that I wanted to change my hair color is because I love my blonde hair and I'm definitely going to miss it. But for me, blonde hair is a lot to keep up with, especially since I'm in college. And when I was home, I used to get my hair done at least once a month. But since I'm away at school, every 2.5 months I come home, maybe even longer than that. And I just felt like my hair was starting to look really bad and super grown out. And also, bleach really damages your hair. I have, basically, my hair journey is a little bit crazy. So maybe I'll just go into that and it'll make more sense. But for all my life until 7th grade, I didn't do anything to my hair. I had my normal hair color. I let it grow. I think we should rewind and start with my hair story. Now, I've had my hair long, short, all in between. When I was in 4th grade, I had super long hair and I really wanted to cut it into a bob, but my parents wouldn't let me. And so I decided myself that I was gonna cut my hair uneven so that I would have to get a bob. And I did. My parents were really upset. And then I later regretted having the bob and missed my long hair. So from the time I was in 4th grade until I was a sophomore in high school, I grew my hair out, and it took 8 years to grow my hair. And finally, once my hair was long and pretty and I absolutely loved it, during that time I got like little highlights here and there. I went a little bit darker, but nothing like a major change, I would say. Too much. I mean, I did like have a lot of highlights, but other than that, it wasn't like I went super blonde or super dark. And then once I was in high school and my hair was really long, I will insert a picture of what my hair looked like in high school and how long and dark it was. And I absolutely loved my hair at that point. And then I'm someone who gets bored really easily with my hair. Just with a lot of things, I just get bored. So I always want to be doing something or changing something. That's why I like getting my nails done, because you don't always have the same color. But basically I decided I wanted to go blonde, and with going blonder, I had to start cutting my hair, and I cut it to about here. So my hair, hold on, I gotta let this up. My hair was all the way down to my butt, which you'll probably see in the insert picture that I show, but my hair was very long and I absolutely loved it. But then it got a little bit shorter because I dyed it, and I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna cut it, I'm not gonna mess with it. It was to the point that when I would go to the hair salon and they had to cut off, I'm not even kidding you, like half of an inch, I would start crying. Like crying, bawling, because I was so attached to my hair. I never wanted to cut it, I never wanted to do anything to it because I missed having long hair so much. And then my senior year of high school, I went on a mission trip to Peru, and it changed a lot for me. It changed my entire outlook on life, and it was just honestly one of the best trips I've ever gone on. And I really highly recommend that if you're able to go on a mission trip that you do. And I wish I could go back. Maybe one day I will have the chance to. But while I was there, we had this opportunity on Thanksgiving to cut our hair and let the girls practice on us and all these other things. And it was just something that I felt in my heart I really needed to do. And even though it was very hard for me and I was sacrificing a lot, well, not really, but to me, like, sacrificing my hair was the biggest thing, because that was 8 years of my life that I just spent growing it and crying over it. And I never wanted to cut it, but I just felt like if I was ever going to cut it, like this is what I needed to do because it was helping someone else. It wasn't just to cut it. Like I was changing somebody else's life. So I cut my hair off and it was about to here. I'll see if I can find a picture of it and insert it, show you what my hair looked like. And at that point it was super blonde. So I cut it, and then when I came home, I mean, it wasn't like a perfect cut. So I had to get a little bit shorter, and it was to here. Now between the months of November and I would say June of last year, so November of 2018 to June of 2019, my hair probably hated me because I went from blonde to dark in December, then back to a little bit blonde, and then back to dark, and then back to blonde, and then back to dark, and back to blonde. So I went from blonde to dark, blonde to dark, blonde to dark a lot in a couple of months, and my hair was losing its mind. And so I just decided to keep it blonde and not change it, not do anything to it. So for the past couple of months, I just haven't changed my hair, and I've just kept on getting it dyed. But I realized that for college, it makes more sense for me to have my dark hair. And honestly, I have been really self-conscious about my short hair. It just makes me feel like it's not me, and I look at myself in the mirror, and even though I know that I did such an amazing thing, it's still really hard for me because I just miss seeing myself with long hair. I made the decision to purchase hair extensions. My parents did not pay for them. My mom and dad said if I wanted hair extensions, I had to use my own money. And so the money that I saved up from having a job, I had a job for about 2 years, and that was money that I put away, and I decided today that I was going to spend my money on my hair and change something that I feel like would make me feel a lot, just not even happier, just feel more like me. And with that, I also decided to make my hair darker just to let it grow, and hopefully by having these extensions, my hair will grow super long and grow like this, so then I can take out my extensions and not have them. But I just feel like myself again, and I just love them. I'm just living. Just like my tattoo says, I am living my life because, you know, we only have one, and there's so much crazy stuff that happens on a daily basis in this world. And I just feel like if you want to do something and you have the means to do it and you really want to do it, that you should, if that is something that you truly want to do. This is not something that I just decided overnight, like, oh, I'm going to get extensions. Okay, like, let's just go spend money on it. But I thought about getting extensions for the past 6 months, and I have really been weighing it. You could ask my mom, you could ask my friends, but all I've been thinking about nonstop since about September, October. Is that 6 months? October, no. September, October, November, December, January, February, March. Yeah, 6 months? Yeah, about 5 to 6 months I've been thinking about getting these extensions. I've been looking into it a lot. And so I decided today that it was going to be the day to change my look and change my life, who I am. I mean, not like my personality, but you know, I'm just very, very happy with it. And I just feel like the person that I have always been. And I know that sounds so weird and so cliche, but I just truly, truly love my hair, and I love how it looks. But I know this video is probably a little bit on the longer side. I really hope you enjoyed watching how they put my extensions in, the whole process. A lot of it's going to be fast forward just because it is a salon, so they play music and copyright and all of that stuff. But I just showed the whole entire process. So if you have any more questions about my extensions or anything, please leave a comment down below. I would love to answer your questions or just your comments in general. I love talking to you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video and watching my hair transformation. I cannot believe that I did this, but I'm so happy with my choice. I hope that if you did enjoy this video, that you would subscribe. Also, like and comment down below any other videos you would like to see me do. And I hope that wherever you are, whether it's morning, afternoon, or night, that you have had an amazing day. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye. Peace.